Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive income has recently come in affiliate commissions with Leads Leap. And more importantly in this video, even as a free member, which was how I originally started with Leads Leap, you can also earn monthly recurring commissions. I'll just refresh the page here just to give you the update. And what you'll see here is my total income with Leads Leap is now $1,502. If we go into this little Pro button here, you get the comparison table of membership versus Pro. So on the left hand side is the free version, on the right hand side column is the Pro. And when I come down here to the bottom, you'll see affiliate commissions. Oops, let's just see if we can get that to stay up. Okay, anyway, you'll see here it says 25% recurring as a free member and then 50% recurring as a pro member. So whatever's within your budget, then you can join for free lifetime membership. Let's just come over here and show you that. The link in the description will take you here to this page, and all you do to get your free membership is fill out this form. Just create a username, a real email address, your first name, and create a password, and then just sign up. And then you're going to get into your members area like I just shared with you there. Now, this platform has been online since 2008, and you're going to get every single tool that you need to make money online. And you're also going to get traffic as well from thousands of other websites all over the internet. What I like about Leads Leap and why I joined is it's been going since 2008, and it evolves and keeps up to date with all the latest tools and features that you need to become successful in making money online. And if you want to know a bit more of how Leads Leap works, the link in the description will take you to this page, and how to get traffic for free, how to build a list for free, how to create landing pages for free, how to create pop-up forms for free, how to track your links if you want to find out where your commissions are coming from, and how to make money for free. So you just click on those buttons there, and then a new window will open up, and then they get all the information there. I'm also going to give you a free video training course on how to get the best and the most out of Leads Leap. I'll come to that shortly. So let's just have a look at some of the features. One of my favorite features is what Leads Leap calls share codes. Now, a share code is really a superb feature, because what it means is, I'll just show you an example of some share codes here. What it means is that this is a share code for the lead capture page. This is a share code for the page I'm on now. This is a share code for an email follow-up autoresponder series. So there are thousands and thousands of Leads Leap members that have created lead capture pages. They've created thank you pages. They've created email follow-up series. And they will share the share code with you, so you can just copy and paste and clone done for you pages, done for you funnels, done for you autoresponder messages. That's really one of the great features that I love about Leads Leap. So this is an example. So let's just say as an example, you joined you joined the click engine. Then what you can do is you can just this is the lead capture page for the click engine that I created. So this would be completely cloned to you. Just copy and paste your share code into Leads Leap, and then everything's done for you. Very, very powerful feature within the Leads Leap platform. And then this would be my complete Leads Leap system. So, click engine system. you'd get this page completely cloned, and all you would do is put your affiliate links into there. And then what I always do is I always do video tutorials that show you how to do that step by step. So it really helps beginners become successful in boosting leads and commissions, and also the email follow-ups. So you would get a complete email series here. So this is one of my click engine email lists. So if you partner with me in the click engine, or maybe you're even already a member of the click engine and you just wanted my funnel, you could just send me an email, because my email's always in the description of all my videos, and say, Barry, can you send me your funnel, or can you send me your email follow-up series? And all I would do is I would click on there for code, and I would just copy and paste that code there, and I would send it to you. And then you would get this complete email series, personally written, done for you. And all you'd have to do is just put your affiliate links into there. And I show you how to do that on my video tutorials, and the video training series I'm going to give you as well will teach you how to do that. So we not only give you all the share codes, we also give you the video tutorials that will teach you to develop skills on how to get the best of your Leads Leap platform as well. And what you'll see here is with the email, what I like about the autoresponder is it's one fixed price for unlimited subscribers. So the price doesn't go up as you build your subscriber list. The price stays at one fixed price. It doesn't go. They don't charge you more, a higher monthly membership subscription for. So you could have 50,000 subscribers on your email list, and you still get charged that one fixed price. Now, the deliverability is also really important. So you'll see here it says open, and it also says click. So the email autoresponder with Leads Leap, it's called SendSteed, but you'll see here the percentages of opens. So the average is about 10 to 20% for open, and you'll see here we're getting over 30%. And then the click-through rate, the industry average is about 5 to 10%. So we're getting a click-through rate in this column of 28%, a click-through rate of 17%. So what that means is that your emails that the Leads Leap autoresponder is sending out, they're going into the inbox. They're not going into promotions. They're not going into the spam folder. And that's one of the key to being successful, is making sure that the emails that you're sending out are actually getting seen, and then the proof there that they're getting opened and click. So the more clicks you get, potentially the more income you can earn. I just want to show you some proof that the tools actually work. So I've been using these tools. I've been using the Leads Leap platform to promote Warrior Plus products. And you'll see that I'm live in my account here for Warrior Plus, my complete history all time here. And you'll see that I've earned $12,000 in commissions, $23,000 in sales, and I've sold 2,683 products. And I've done that by using the Leads Leap tools and the Leads Leap platform. So they actually really do work. Same with Prosperity Marketing System. If you go onto my channel and you go onto my playlist and look at Prosperity Marketing System, I've been using the Leads Leap tools to promote Prosperity Marketing System. And this is a $12 a month program, and I've earned over $12,000 in total earnings. You'll see here on my playlist, if you go and watch that there. But I use the Leads Leap lead capture pages, the welcome pages, the email autoresponder follow-ups. So I always highly recommend Leads Leap to all my students, or anybody asks me what are the best tools that I recommend. This is the Leads Leap training course that we're going to give you for free. So there'll be a link in the description where you can access this. And what it does, it covers all the features in a video format and takes you through so you can learn the skills to learn how to become successful with Leads Leap. Sometimes when you first log in here and you're first coming down the left hand side here, there's a lot of information. We teach you how to set your advertising up to get traffic. We teach you social reviews, how to get ranked in Google with reviews that are free to, you can use AI to do reviews. We teach you how to build an email list on the videos, page builder, funnel builder, pop-ups. And then down here, you've got some affiliate tools that you can use as well. So when you are brand new, it is quite overwhelming. There is quite a lot of information. But if you decide that Leads Leap is a platform that you can use and you want to use long term, like I've been using it long term and will carry on to do so, then it's really well worth your time learning how the tools work, learning how the traffic works, and then start to build your online income around Leads Leap and the tools and the traffic. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. We're not going to make any income or product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. Currently I'm doing several new uploads every week on my channel here. And if you've got any questions about Leads Leap or any comments, please put those in the comments below. And my email address is always in the description if you want to just contact me. If you've got any questions or if you want any help with your affiliate marketing, that's the email address to reach me on. Excuse me. And then I'll just get back to you as soon as I can. So there'll be a link in the description where you can go to this page. Where is it? This page here. And you can get a lot more information on the home page, get all your questions answered, and then just recommend there, just set up a free account, get your free membership, set up a free account and just log in. And then once you log in, you're going to get into your members area and have a good look around and see if you think that Leads Leap is going to be a platform that's going to help you become successful online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.